But Hera still could not forgive him for being the son of her husband and another woman. Her malice always pursued him. So she caused something terrible to happen. The cruel goddess drove him temporarily mad. In this fit of insanity, he went wild and killed Megara and his 2 sons. When he recovered his wits, he could not understand what had happened. Filled with remorse, he sought atonement, if there was atonement for such a dreadful thing. The Delphi oracle told him he must leave Thebes and go to the south of Greece and serve the king of Mycenae, Eurystheus. On his way south, he stopped at Athens. His friend, the good Theseus, welcomed him and tried to help him. He tried to point out that a madman is not responsible for his acts, that some jealous god was behind the terrible deed. But poor Hercules could not reason things out that way. He knew he had done wrong, that he must be punished and undergo a long penance. That was why he accepted the 12 labors imposed on him by the king of Mycenae. Beyond the myth. Compare the 2 women that Hercules met. Is it possible to work hard and serve, but have fun and enjoy life too? 2. Hercules was apparently not very good at schoolwork, but he was physically very strong. Do you think strength might be a type of intelligence? Are there other kinds of intelligence besides the traditional reading and math skills? Does a person have to be book smart to be highly skilled at something? Identify Hercules, Tiresias, Alcmena, Eurystheus, Megara. Define demigod, prophet, virtue, vice, malice. Locate on a map. Thebes, Athens, Mycenae.